Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in Queens, New York. I serve the Queens and the greater New York City community. Today, I had my first webinar that I hosted from home. I conducted an elder law webinar on how to protect your home and your life savings. And I did it from here. And that's because I was concerned for the snow. So I have the last, I'd say since July, I've been conducting webinars from my office through Zoom. Right? That's the thing to do for the safety of people. We can remain socially distanced. I can still give quite a lot of information. It's really a very nice way to conduct an informational webinar about elder law issues. And so in person, I really have had a good time giving public public seminars in the past. I've been able to engage with the crowd, speak to people, take questions. I would take questions throughout the seminar, and I'd give examples, and that was always really something that people really liked a lot. Because I have experience in estate planning and elder law, and I also have experience in litigation. So contested probate cases, or contesting a will, contested guardianship cases. And I really get to use the experience that I've gained in the litigation field to inform the way I practice elder law estate planning, right? Where the elder law estate planning that I subscribe to is that I concern myself with the person making the documents and their life first and foremost, to guard against incapacity. And then how do they pass along their assets and the money that they've saved and worked all of their life for onto the next generation. But I'm mostly concerned with the person themselves. And so I get to engage with, I have previously engaged with people in the public seminar. Have a conversation before, after, field some questions. It's always been very nice. So today was the first one that I conducted from my home because of the snow, the concerns today about snow and travel. So it went quite well, and I also fielded a number of questions through the chat function, and that was really great. And I'll give you some of the questions. So one of the questions was, does a testamentary trust have to be probated? Yes, it does. If you have a provision in your will for a testamentary trust for some future event, that testamentary trust is only effective after the person passes away and the will is probated. Another question was, am I admitted in New Jersey or Pennsylvania, any other state? No, I'm not. I am only an attorney in New York. If you had the need, I belong to a number of nationwide attorney groups in elder law. I could recommend some friends. I have a very good friend in Jersey, very good friend in Pennsylvania that I could suggest. Another question was, I'm distributing a house inside of a will. What if I want to do that with a trust instead? Yes, you can. What you would do is you'd create a trust, and the trust would follow your rules, your intent, what you'd like to do with your assets. And along the way, I would also provide to you a pour-over will. So it's not will versus trust, it's will and trust and will, right? So I'd give you a trust if that's what you need and it fits your situation. I'd give you a certain type of will, and we'd revoke the past will, okay? All right. So be safe and well in these turbulent times. And thank you for coming. See you soon. Tomorrow, in fact.